Hey guys, it's Cassandra with Prince George Ford, and we're here at the Pre-Owned Supercenter. And today we're looking at this 2008 Dodge Dakota SXT in black. So this is your crew cab. So you can fit seating for 5. It's a nice little 4x4. Got your tri-fold hard tonneau cover on there. Nice little accessory if you're hauling anything in the back. So this little truck could be a great commuter truck. You have 4x4, so it's going to be useful come winter time. Let's have a look inside. So, pretty standard power mirrors, power windows, power locks. We do have power seating as well. As you can see, our little crew cab, you've just got the 2 little jumper seats in here in the back. So not a ton of room, but definitely able to carry 2 passengers back there. You do have optional 3-person bench seating up front, or your center console does flip down. Just like that. And you've got storage in there as well. Cruise control settings on your steering wheel. And as you can see there in the right hand side, we have 113,663 kilometers on here, which is fairly low for a 2008. Coming over to our infotainment system, obviously AM, FM radio, CD, as well as auxiliary. This truck does come with Bluetooth as well. Air conditioning, heating settings. Your 4x4 option, power outlets. Lots of cup holders and storage in here. So guys, this little truck is a great little option with 4x4 power package, tow package, tonneau cover, a little bit of everything. If you want to take this truck for a test drive, you can give us a call, 250-563-8111, or pop on by and visit, and we'll see what we can get you in today. Thanks for watching.